themed rides. Today we are gonna do Revolution in Bobbejaanland. A real classic roller coaster because this also opened in 1989.
A little bit old.
Yeah, it's a little bit old, but still a classic roller coaster. Built by Big Homa. Yeah, an indoor roller coaster. So in the time it did a lot of changes, do it with VR glasses and all these things, but they changed now and do it now without VR glasses again. So I really preferred it without VR. It's VR. I don't like it in a coaster VR.
No?
No. So yeah, we're gonna take a ride right now. We're gonna say our opinion when we're coming off. Bye bye. A good indoor coaster, and this one is a good indoor coaster.
I like a lot.
Yeah, you like it a lot. Yeah, you feel the speed also. It was quite fast. Yeah.
Fast with the light, and you feel
Yeah, but
also
if you
the
see,
air.
yeah,
in
but
your
if you see the stats, it's not very fast, the roller coaster, but it feels more faster than it is.
You think?
Yeah, it's more faster than it. You feel it more faster than it is.
Okay.
Also, I looked up for this coaster also, and this coaster has the longest train actually.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
so long.
it's really long.
Around
You know how many people?
23 autos?
Something
in the
like
train?
that. Yeah, something like that. You know how many people you can go inside?
Nee.
If everybody go for two?
No.
Yeah, you have 60 people in the
Okay,
train.
still.
Yeah, it's a lot of people. So yeah, if you come to Bobbejaanland, you have to do this coaster because it's really a classic roller coaster and you really like it. Really
Yeah,
like it.
it did.
Yeah.
So we enjoy again a lot.
Yes, indeed. So if you like this video, just put your thumbs up, like it, put your comments below also.
And
that's it.
continue, see you. Hey, bye bye. Have
Ciao,
a nice
ciao.
day.
Bye bye.